Hello, Aqua people of YouTube. This is Sean, and this is my room. But this is a tutorial, you could say, video on how to make floating, floating fry sanctuaries. Now, I'm going to be using the one that I had that had basically self-destructed. What you need are, you can buy them at basically any pet store, these segmented plastic plants. Now I happen to have a whole bunch of, I bought a whole bunch when I first got my tank, and I didn't end up using all of them. So I needed some way to use the rest of them so I didn't feel like I just wasted money. I didn't know what until about a few weeks ago, and I was looking at it, and I was like, and I thought, I need something like to float on top of the surface, because just make it look more realistic. So was sitting here bored, and I took all of them apart randomly. I pieced them together and made circles. And so you can make these circles any size. I usually try and make the first circle 4 segments wide, because if it's too wide, then the whole thing's gonna fall apart. That's just what happened last time. But if it's too small, the fry cannot go into it, and it's basically just for decoration. See? 4 segment circle. Pretty cool. Now, don't use a 3 segment circle. A 3 segment circle would be far too big, and it would basically make it so tight that the fry can't go in. Make a 2 segment. Here's a trick. If you want something hanging down, like I want one of these. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try this. 2 segment. I'll have 2 extra to make it more interesting. I'm gonna have a little string section, I could say. So I figured out I could double these up. It's pretty hard to do. Try this one. Let's see. Trick is to wrap the double layer around what you want hanging down. Well, that's mainly used with these because these are so thick. If I tried to pull it through the hole, it would snap these apart, and then I'd have to retry it. So connect these two. Wrap it around. Then connect them in a circular shape. If I can get it. There we go. And there you go. Now place these in your aquarium upside down to give a cool floating plant look. Also provide some shade and shelter for fry. I'm going to place this in the tank, that way you guys can see what it looks like. Let's see, how am I going to do this? And this is what the finished product looks like. It's not a good view of it. 1 second, let me fix that. Thus, the invention of the flashlight. It's really bright. That's what your finished product will look like, somewhat. You can get different ones from different types of plants, like these guys. I made them out of thinner plants, and they turned out a bit better. Also, if you can find a way to get the cup shape, you can see, it's hard to see, but if you can get the cup shape in that also gives smaller fry a place to hide inside and get food. Well, that's another thing. Food can actually go through those little holes at the top, like small flakes and stuff. And they eat from in there. They're safe from adults. See, there's a little one in there. And that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys would want to see. And yeah. I'll see you guys later.